Hey garden lovers! Today we're doing a fun little showdown. Growing carrots in a classic garden container versus growing them in a humble egg crate. Which method will give us better carrots? Let's dig in, literally. Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Farm and Food Channel. As we proceed, kindly subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment. You might think both are just about putting soil in something and waiting, but trust me, the results can be surprisingly different. One method might give you healthy long carrots, the other, well, you'll see. First, let's set up our two contenders. For the container method, I'm using a 5-gallon pot, loose, sandy potting mix, and carrot seeds, the Knott's variety, perfect for containers. For the egg crate method, I'm using a regular paper egg carton, the same potting mix, and the exact same carrot seeds. Both will be placed in the same sunny window, watered the same amount, and started on the same day, so it's a fair fight. Carrot seeds are tiny, so we're sprinkling them lightly, then covering them with about a 1/4 inch of soil. Carrots don't like being buried too deep. They're shy like that. And of course, we water gently. Think of it like giving them a spa day, not a power shower. After 2 weeks, both setups are showing little green shoots. The container carrots look happy and evenly spaced. The egg crate carrots are a little crowded. That's because the small compartments don't allow much room for roots to spread. Here's the first problem with egg crates: root space. Carrots need depth. Without it, they'll get stunted. By week 4, the difference is clear underground. In the container, roots are stretching down freely. In the egg crate, they've already hit the bottom and started twisting. This twisting makes for odd-shaped carrots, which can be fun, but they're not going to win any beauty contests. Now for the big reveal, harvest day. The container carrots are a respectable 6-7 inches long, smooth, and sweet. The egg crate carrots, about 1-2 inches long. Cute, yes. Salad worthy? Maybe if you have a doll-sized salad. Taste-wise, both are fine, sweet and crunchy, but the egg crate carrots are more like carrot snacks than a full harvest. So what's the verdict? If you want a real harvest, go for the container method. It gives carrots the space they need to grow long and healthy. The egg crate method is better suited for fun experiments, microgreens, or starting seeds before transplanting. Whether you're planting in a big pot or something small and quirky, the joy of growing your own food is unbeatable. Thanks for joining this carrot showdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow garden lover. See you in the next experiment. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching.